install the Git in our Windows laptop. Okay, search for Git. Click on this first link. You can see here download for Windows. Okay, click on this. Click here to download. Download started here. The file is here. This is the file which got downloaded yesterday. Okay, just click on this one. Do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes. Click here, install. Click on finish. Close this window. So we have installed the Git right now. We will see how to use the Git in the next session.